Artists, welcome back, and today I want to show you how to prepare wood for drying so it doesn't crack. This is completely new for me, and I've been doing wood sculpture just for a short amount of time. I just got these freshly cut logs, but the problem is that if you just leave this drying as it is, it's going to start cracking. And if you're doing sculpture, you want this to dry evenly as possible. The way I'm going to prepare this is, on this pan I have some wax that I have melted down. You see it's this color, but it's just wax, regular wax. But we're going to seal this and the other side. So take a brush and just kind of do this. Doesn't take very much to cover it. Get a nice amount of wax here, and wax is going to let it breathe while it dries. So this does take quite some time, and this one already has tiny little bits of crack because it was sitting outside. You don't have to worry about this side because the moisture is going to evaporate from here, and it does keep it nice and regulated. So all you have to do is put this in a nice temperate area like your garage. That's all you need. You don't need to do anything else. So this log in maybe 6 months is going to be ready for carving. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was educational. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.